Hello, this is Dharmishtha. Today we will going to learn a lesson number 5, Graphics in Publisher 2013 Part 2. We will discuss about some topics like scratch area, selecting multiple objects in scratch area, arranging pictures as a thumbnails, swapping pictures, working with shape, and working with building blocks in Publisher. Now first one is, you know very well that the scratch area is the gray area that appears around the publication page. It can be used as a temporary holding area. If you are not sure where you want to move an item, you can drag it to the scratch area. The scratch area is saved with the publication, therefore the picture in the scratch area will be there. The next time you open your publication and you can use it as per your requirement. Now next one is selecting multiple objects in the scratch area. If you wish to select multiple objects in the scratch area, click one image, press Shift key and then click other images one by one. In this way, we can select multiple objects in the scratch area. We can also use another way to select multiple objects to drag a box around them with your mouse pointer, keeping the left mouse button pressed. When you release the mouse button, you will see that all the images within the box have been selected. Here given the figure selecting pictures in a scratch area. See both the way you can select a multiple objects in the page. Now next one is arranging pictures as a thumbnail. So first thing is, what is the mean by thumbnail? A thumbnail is a graphic image in reduced size which helps in organizing pictures and to save a space. To arrange the picture thumbnails of all images in the scratch area, here given a figure about it. For that, you have to follow some steps. First one is click a Format tab under a Picture Tools. Second step, click the Arrange Thumbnail button in Arrange group. You can see the picture get arranged in the scratch area. In this way, you can see the thumbnails in a publisher. Now next one is swapping picture. The picture placeholder has a placeholder icon. After the placeholder is replaced with the picture, the icon changed to a swap icon. See the figure number 5.21. Pictures in the scratch area also show a swap icon. You can drag the swap icon to a swap picture or press and hold or right click the swap icon to display the shortcut menu with more options. In the scratch area, select the picture you want to swap with the picture in the publication. The selected picture displays the swap icon. See the figure number 5.21. From the scratch area, drag the swap icon of a picture towards the picture on the publication. When pink boundary is displayed, release the mouse button to swap the picture. This is the way swapping picture in a publisher. Now next one is working with shape. The shapes collection in a publisher is the same as in a Word or PowerPoint. To access the shape gallery, follow some steps. First one is select the Insert tab in the illustration group, then click a Shapes. The shape gallery opens. Here given a figure about shape gallery. Select your preferred shape by using mouse. Click and drag to draw a shape as per your desired size. By using resize handle, we can set size as per your requirement. Next thing is to change the shape style. In the shape style group and click the more button to view a shape style gallery. Select your desired style. See a figure about shape style gallery. We can also apply a shape effect on shapes. So click on shape effect under glow option. You can further select more glow color option to choose your desired color for selected glow. After applying all these options, you will see the effect on shape and make your file attractive. Next one is working with building block. So first thing, what is mean by building block? Building block means another set of object in Publisher that usually contain a combination of text, shapes and images. You can insert a building block in your file and modify it as per your requirement. There are 4 types of building blocks: page part, calendar, border and accent, and advertisements. Here given a figure about it, which is available on Insert tab. So first we discuss about page part. When we click on page part option, you will see a page part gallery. Select any one from it and set on the page. Here given a figure about page part gallery. Now second one is calendars. This is the gallery of calendar format. When click on it, it will open a calendar gallery. Select any one from it as per your requirement and set on a page. Here given a figure about it. Now borders and accents. These are the graphic elements for adding a border and frames, etc. By using these, we can decorate our picture or object on the page. We can move it, make it more attractive and select any one from it and apply on the page. Here given a figure about it, select any one, borders or accent from it and apply on the object. Now next one is advertisements. Last one, advertisement. See, the building block has a set of templates for advertisements with the help of which you can create your own advertisements. By using these templates, you can apply your own idea on it and make your advertisement more decorative and attractive. Here given the figure about it. In this way, we can create our own publisher page.